Ladies and gentlemen, Hingog Christian College, Hingog City, Misamis Oriental, now brings you Mr. Florlindo Orozco, the battalion commander of the CAT, Citizenship Advancement Training in the High School Department. Hingog Christian College, the pioneering Christian institution in the city, Hingog City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. Mr. Florlindo Orozco on his rifle execution. Hingog Christian College, the pioneering Christian institution in the city, now brings you Mr. Florlindo Orozco, High School Department Battalion Commander of the Citizenship Advancement Training. Mr. Florlindo Orozco on his rifle execution.